Okay, there we go. Good. Okay, so what about this proof? Let's take a look at this one. Now, this time we want to, given that BC and DA, sides BC and DA, are both congruent and parallel, let's prove this theorem that says they're a parallelogram. Okay, now we're going to start off. Notice we've got this. We got the given information. And then we're going to go ahead and add that diagonal for free. Okay. So, what can we do? Any ideas? Yes, sir.
AC is AC.
Okay, we could. AC is congruent to itself. We'll add that one. That's good. So we got another one. Okay, what else? Now we know we're given that these two lines are parallel, so we can do our little extension trick. Right, those lines are parallel. So if I extend the sides and the transversal, what angles could we show are congruent there? You said BCA, right? And DAC. Very good. Okay, and what's the reason? Angles converse. Yeah. Alternate interior angle. Oh, I'm sorry, not converse. My fault. Yeah, not converse. You're right. No wonder you're giving me that look. It's we're told they're parallel, so we're just showing that they're congruent. Yeah, alternate interior angles. Okay. Okay. Now what? What about those two triangles now?
CD A is equal to CD A.
They're congruent.
Yeah, they're congruent by what triangle congruence relationship? SAS, sure. I've got side, angle, side, right? Congruent to side, angle, side. Two sides and the included angles. One triangle congruent to two sides and the included angle of another triangle, right? Okay? So, all right. Now, okay. So, that's good, right? We've got AC, we already said, is congruent to itself by reflexive property. And so there it is. Side angle side gives us the whole triangle. Now, how is that useful? My only other goal, if I want to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram, I just need to somehow show that the other sides are parallel. How am I going to do that? What do you think, Gabe?
Try to get the other angles.
Other angles. And I've got them now, don't I? Right? I've got them because if the triangles are congruent, then the corresponding angles are congruent by what reason? CPCTC. Yeah, that one, right? If I know the triangles are congruent, all the other stuff's congruent. Well, we don't need it all. We really only need a little bit. Let's just pick this guy right here, how about? Right? That's the only one we really need, isn't it? Oh, actually, there's an easier way. Huh, didn't think about that. Rather than mess with the angles, why not just use the other sides, how about? Right? That'd be easier, wouldn't it? We know then that this side is congruent to that side, right? Make sense? And now I know that two pairs, I have a quadrilateral with two pairs of opposite congruent sides, so what does it have to be? Parallelogram, sure. That's good stuff. Okay, if opposite sides of a quadrilateral are congruent, so if opposite sides congruent, then parallelogram, right? Good, good, good. Okay, now